I think I always make films about the things that are the scariest for me to deal with. If I go like this, I don't see my fingers until...
Filmmaker Rodney
there.
Evans frames
And
his
there.
field of vision with his hands.
And then there. I went to this ophthalmologist, and they basically were like, you have this very rare eye condition. You gradually get more and more blind.
From the Sundance Jury Prize-winning director of Brother to Brother.
I feel like I'm just looking for guidance in how to be a blind artist.
Dancer Kayla Hamilton.
I remember waking up one morning, getting around the city. I really couldn't read subway stops. Obviously, I was really terrified.
Writer Ryan Knighton.
When you first enter the idea that you're going to lose your sight, it feels like a terminal point. You know, that you're going to go to this place called blindness, and that's where you stay. But there is something on the other side. It's a different point of view.
Photographer John Dugdale.
You know, I came out of the hospital. My mother said, "Oh, sweetheart, we were so proud of your career." And I thought, what makes you think I'm not going to take pictures anymore?
The Hollywood Reporter consistently fascinates the mind and activates the senses.
I think of it as a restriction on my freedom. It can be enraging, but I do think that there are potential breakthroughs on the horizon. I am cautiously optimistic.
The Movable Feast, extraordinarily moving.
Imagine a world of beauty. There's no litter. People don't look tired. Everybody looks the same as they always looked.
Hammer to Nail. This is not a movie about loss and despair, but the celebration of what is possible.
How can I use my art form as a way of sharing what it is that I'm experiencing?
Sometimes it's about the idea and about the imagination and how those things get put together to form vision.
Vision Portraits, a Stimulus Pictures production.